Hello. Now today we are talking about an important topic in the novel Ajadi. Different types of characters have been presented. The novel Ajadi presents varieties of characters. Nahal has depicted both male and female characters. His characters belong to different religious faiths. They are Hindu, Muslim, and Sikh. He has presented certain memorable characters like Lala Kashiram and Arun. The characters of Nahal display the human emotions, passions, and weakness of human flesh. The characters touch divinity by their human virtues. The characters are politically conscious characters. These characters are mostly Hindu and Muslim. They are well aware of their role. After the declaration of partition, the minority Hindu became the worst victim in the Pakistan. Nahal has captured the pulse of the partition, which is more authentic than history. It is most accurate than political science. Nahal has presented two categories of Muslim characters. Has presented the communal Muslim characters like Abdul Ghani, Ullah Khan, Liaqatullah Khan, the city inspector, and the Pakistan Army captain, Rahmatullah Khan. Abdul Ghani was neighbor shopkeeper of Lala Kashiram. Lala Kashiram had helped him in various ways. Whenever he needed money, he asked Lala Kashiram to help, but Abdul Ghani proved to be the worst ever creature. He was such a devil character. He got pleasure at the death of Lala Kashiram's daughter Madhubala. When Arun reaches Sialkot railway station to search his sister's dead body, Abdul Ghani recognized him. He told, "Who told you your sister was killed, my boy? But don't worry, I put her and her husband into the fire with my own hand, and they are now on their way to Dozak, to hell, where I hope they not forever. They rot forever." He made no effort to disguise in venom. When Chaudhary Barkat Ali heard such filthy words from the foul mouth of Abdul Ghani, he forgot his Gandhian non-violence. He took him by his neck to trash him, but he was stopped. The people invented and separated them. Chaudhary Barkat Ali became furious and shouted to him, you shaitan, blot on name of Islam." The family of Chaudhary Barkat Ali present the rich face of Islam and bright face of Islam. Chaudhary Barkat Ali and his wife Begum Barkat Ali were devoted Muslim. They offer 5 times namaz. He accepted Lala Kashiram as his brother. Both Lala Kashiram and Chaudhary Barkat Ali belonged to the same village. Chaudhary Barkat Ali was influenced by Gandhiji. He became the followers of Gandhi. He helped in every way to Lala Kashiram, but he failed to stop Lala Kashiram in Pakistan. In the sane voice of Chaudhary Barkat Ali remained unheard by the communal Muslims of Sialkot. Pakistan became the frying pan. He lost the bosom friend Lala Kashiram. His son Munir was a friend of Arun. Arun was in love with Nurul Nisar, the sister of Munir. He wanted to become Muslim for her, but Munir disliked this idea of Arun. They were progressive Muslim. The family of Chaudhary Barkat Ali was the true embodiment of love, compassion, and human values. They were the true representative of humanity. The Muslim girl Nurul Nisar cried vehemently at the death of Hindu girl Madhubala. When Nisar cried vehemently at the death of Hindu girl Madhubala, when the other Muslims were killing and abducting Hindu girls, this is the triumph of human values. Narul was crying hysterically. Everywhere in Pakistan, the Muslim people were thirsty of Hindu blood, but the family of Chaudhry Barkat Ali did not deviate from the path of humanity and human values. The city inspector Inayatullah Khan showed the inclination towards the Muslim people participating in the procession and ordered his Hindu subordinates to break the gate. He wanted to celebrate the creation of Pakistan along the organizers. The situation did not become worse because the DC and SP came to the spot. The Muslim SP Asghar Ahmad Siddiqui reprimanded in the city inspector. The army captain wanted to get sexual gratification from Hindu women. Hindu DC Prannath Chadha was an able administrator who was later murdered by the Muslim bodyguard. The people living in Sialkot faced the worst ever situation after the declaration was announced. The wealthy Hindus became the penniless. Bibi Amarvati was the owner of two buildings in Sialkot, but she had to adjust with Dara Kashiram in Delhi, Kingsway refugee camp at Alipura Road. They are given the accommodation of a single room. Most of the Hindu characters had to face the worst disaster in their life. Lala Kashiram lost his business, his grain store was looted. He, along with her other Hindus, came to refugee camp. His daughter Madhubala and son-in-law Rajiv were killed by the Muslims Reuters when they were coming from Wazirabad to Sialkot. The daughter-in-law of Bibi Amarvati, Sunanda Bala, belonged to aristocratic Brahmin family from Jammu. She was the rare beauty. When they were living in the refugee camp, the Pakistani army captain Rahmatullah Khan became mad to see her beauty. He told Arun to bring her. Arun outrightly declined to do such a crime. Captain Rahmatullah Khan went to Narwal to the border town of Pakistan to enjoy the Sunanda Bala. He wanted sexually gratification from Sunanda Bala. He invited his own death because of his lecherous nature. He abducted Sunanda Bala from Narwal refugee camp to dishonor her. While attacking her chastity, he was killed by Arun. Both Sunanda Bala and Arun were unlucky characters. They reached India but with deep sorrow in their heart. The husband of Sunanda Bala, Suraj Prakash, was killed. Arun lost his first love, Narul Nisar, because she was a Muslim. His second love, Chandni, was abducted by Muslim hooligans. Arun came to India alone. Aishar Kaur lost her husband because he was adamant not to surrender his Sikh faith. He did not cut his hair and beard. The sacrificed he sacrificed his own life. He became a martyr of Sikh faith. The female characters portrayed by Nahal have become the worst victim of partition. Bibi Amarvati lost her husband of faith of Islam. Her husband became Muslim to continue in Pakistan and process the property of his wife. The female character belonged to the Hindu religion were abducted. The other Hindu female characters who reached India become widow. Sunanda Bala and Aishar Kaur reaches India as widow. Madhubala was killed. The daughter of Dr. Chandrabhan, Lala Kashiram and Arun, most of the male characters lost their life in Pakistan. The novelist has presented the only one British character, Sergeant William Davidson. He was British Army officer posted in Sialkot. He was the friend of the Munir and Arun. The British people were directed to remain natural in the present political condition, but he helped the Hindu people of the to the refugee camp. He was a human first, and he shows his humanity. The English crown had directed their natives to remain neutral in the partition. Nahal is superb in art of characterization. The character of Lala Kashiram and Arun hold a unique status in Indian English novels. They are the real characters to flesh and blood. The historical characters have been depicted. These characters are Mohammedans. Characters are Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Lord Mountbatten, Jinnah, and Balwant Singh. They have been also depicted in Azadi. They have the significant role in political field. Thank you.